Hey guys, it's me, Steve, here with the latest in Disney news. Let's get into it. Disney Cruise Line is set to unveil new details about one of its newest cruise ships, the Disney Wish, on April 29th. Ashley Long, cruise director at Disney Cruise Line, said, "This special 30-minute virtual presentation, hosted by yours truly, will give you a sneak peek at all the magic that awaits, including a look behind the scenes with Walt Disney Imagineers and the creative team bringing the Disney Wish to life. Plus, this enchanting reveal will include special character appearances and surprise performances you won't want to miss." The Disney Wish is the cruise line's fifth cruise ship and is scheduled to begin its maiden voyage in the summer of 2022. Teams across Disney World have been creatively drawing on the long-standing history of helping to reimagine the patient experience in local children's hospitals by virtually bringing some fun from the park straight to the Central Florida community. The reimagined version of this program virtually connects the magic of nature to children through a series of new videos featuring animals found in the parks and important conservation messages. Then, one of the talented animation experience character artists leads them through a learn-to-draw experience of a beloved Disney character, such as Dumbo or Simba, inspired by those same animals. With special donated sketch paper and comfort toys like Dumbo plush at their side, patients across Central Florida's children's hospitals are experiencing moments of joy and inspiration as they create their own masterpieces featuring these adored Disney characters. American Idol's traditional Disney night will be airing on Sunday, May 2nd, and this year they're filming at Disney World. American Idol and Walt Disney World have a storied history. The 2017 season kicked off auditions at Disney Springs. Disney's Hollywood Studios also used to host the American Idol experience, where guests could compete to win a front-of-the-line ticket to a real American Idol audition. The attraction opened in 2009 and closed permanently in 2015. Film crews are staged behind a wall of planters near Mad Tea Party. The filming is taking place on the bridge connecting Fantasyland and the Hub. The crew has set up a lot of camera equipment as well as a host of American flags. So if you're in the area, maybe you can be on American Idol. Out-of-state travelers traveling to California may soon be in luck. A series of policy changes indicate that California may soon allow out-of-state guests who are fully vaccinated against COVID-19 to visit Southern California's many theme parks. Noted by Twitter user Leslie Harvey, California's blueprint for a safer economy was updated without fanfare on April 19th. An amendment to the document states that fully vaccinated persons from out of state may visit or attend activities or events that are restricted to in-state visitors. At this time, Disneyland Resorts falls within the Tier 3 or the moderate category, allowing in-state guests to visit the theme parks. Disney Springs, popular with both locals and tourists in dining, is seeking to bolster their teams. Pantina Restaurant Group, the company behind several restaurants at Disney Springs, is looking for new employees in various roles. These venues include Morimoto Asia Orlando, the Edison, Maria Enzo's Restaurante, Enzo's Hideaway Tunnel Bar, and Pizza Point. A $500 sign-on bonus is offered to back-of-house cooks, while front-of-house employees, excluding waitstaff, are eligible for a $300 sign-on bonus. The company is hosting a job fair at Morimoto Asia on Thursday, April 29th, from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. As vaccine rates rise and we move hopefully toward a post-pandemic world, tourism demands are likely to keep growing in Central Florida. Disney World has filed a permit indicating that a new cast member entrance will be built between the Transportation and Ticket Center and Disney's Polynesian Village Resort off of Seven Seas Drive. This will replace the old Floridian Way entrance for the Polynesian cast members who have to park at the Transportation and Ticket Center. The permit lists mechanical work in the northwestern corner of the Transportation and Ticket Center parking lot, which cast members have been using as a temporary entrance while construction continues in the area. Multiple ramps are being built for Floridian Way and World Drive to improve traffic flow from Magic Kingdom. The new cast member entrance won't impact guest parking. Starting April 24th, Disneyland Paris will provide the convention center at Disney's Newport Bay Club to serve as one of the mass vaccination centers in the country for local authorities to distribute COVID-19 vaccines to the local community. The site will be open on weekends from 9:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. and appointments can be booked on Doctolib. The vaccination center will be separate from the hotel and will be equipped and managed by the SDIS Fire Department, which will oversee the logistics and operate the Vaccidome autonomously under the authority of the prefecture and French health authorities, the ARS. Eric Marion, VP Operations of Disneyland Paris, said, Disneyland Paris is proud to help support the authorities by allowing the SDIS to use the Disney's Newport Bay Club Convention Center to administer vaccines. Disney World cast members are invited to connect with their family and friends for a complimentary one-night stay at a select Walt Disney World Resort hotel. The Be Our Guest complimentary one-night resort stay is for employed, currently working or furloughed, Florida-based, or Disney's Hilton Head Island Resort full-time, part-time, or seasonal cast members, Imagineers, or employees with a valid company-issued ID employed as of April 24, 2001. Florida-based cast members means cast members and employees with valid company-issued IDs with work locations within the Walt Disney World Resort area, Disney's Vero Beach Resort, and Disney Reservation Centers. The Be Our Guest resort stay is non-transferable, meaning cast members cannot give or sell a complimentary stay away to someone else. The cast member must stay in the room with their guests, and if any additional room is required due to the allowed party size, the adult member of the cast member's immediate family will be required to stay in the additional room. Advance registration and reservations are required, and the number of rooms allocated for cast are limited. Yesterday, Transmarch posted that Pixar Animation Studios sent them a flyer for an audition opportunity for actors 12 through 17 to voice a transgender teen. Just last week, Disney finally rolled out their fifth key of inclusion to help with the progression of acceptance and diversity within the company. The addition of this key helps with gender inclusivity and allyship. This is a big step for the entertainment industry to feature a transgender teen in a mainstream offering. On the flyer, it asks for an enthusiastic, outgoing, funny, and energetic actor who can authentically portray a 14-year-old transgender girl. Thank you guys for all your love and support. The channel is slowly growing, so let's keep it up. I enjoy giving you news about all things Disney. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos. While you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to my Instagram and Patreon, which are both Disney with Washington, for more content, and I guarantee you won't regret it. We are now at 700 followers. And again, I would like to thank everyone who follows my content, and we're just getting started. Thanks for the support, and remember guys, there's a great big beautiful tomorrow.